Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I am making some chicken wings, and these are going to be fried chicken wings infused in pineapple sauce. If you guys are ready, let's get started. So over here guys, I have about 20 pieces of chicken wings, and for this recipe I am going to go ahead and marinate it for 24 hours. So I'm adding about 2 cups of water. So you want to make sure that your water is, filling all the way to the top. And I'm going to go ahead and add some ginger. I think this is about a teaspoon of ginger. So we're going to go ahead and grate it. So you want to go ahead and just mix it up. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of seasoning salt. And I'm going to go ahead and add garlic powder. And I'm going to go ahead and add about a half a tablespoon of tenderizer, meat tenderizer, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And we're going to go ahead and mix it. So the next ingredient is going to be 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1, 2. Go ahead and close it up. So this marination is going to be 24 hours. So I will see you guys tomorrow for the final finale. So guys, these chicken wings have a 24 hours marination, and I'm in the next day. So we are going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and transfer these wings in here. So this bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add a half cup of flour, a half cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of pepper, a half teaspoon of salt for taste, a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. And we are going to go ahead and mix. And this is 2 egg whites. So this is a 1/4 cup of milk, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of baking powder, since I forgot to add it while I was mixing the flour. So this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Remember, you can always put it together when you put the flour, but I forgot, so I'm just going to go ahead and dump it in there. So now my mixture is ready. We are going to go ahead and start frying. So before I get started with the frying, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of cornstarch, so I used 2 cups of these since I was using a half cup. So to this cornstarch, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to go ahead and also whisk my cornstarch here. And we are going to get started with the frying. So guys, I am heating my oil to 375. I am using already used oil. So if you guys have some new oil, go ahead and use whatever you have. So you want to go ahead and grab with your hands in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and start dropping in my batches. So I'm gonna go ahead and just drop more chicken. Guys, it's gonna be the same time, 5 minutes, and we are going to get an extra refry when we come back later, when we finish all the chicken. And don't overcrowd them. So I'm gonna do the rest of the chicken off camera and I'll be right back. This is my last batch before refrying, and we are going to go back to refrying. So we are going to go ahead and refry our chicken. I'm refrying my chicken about 2 to 3 minutes. This is how it looks like refried. And I'm gonna continue on. So I'm gonna continue with the refrying process off the camera. Now that we are done, we are going to go ahead and make the sauce for the chicken, which is basically pineapple flavored orange chicken with a hint of ginger. So right in here in this blender, I'm going to go ahead and add all my ingredients. So I'm adding 1/3 cup of pineapple, diced pineapple, and that's how small they look, like that. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. So this is a half of a tangerine. And we're gonna go ahead and squeeze all the nice juices in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze in a half of a lime juice. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. And a tablespoon of maple syrup. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and we are going to go ahead and blend it. So since this is liquid, we are going to go ahead and get started with the sauce. To get started, I am going to use 2 teaspoons of butter, and I'm going to go ahead and grate in 2 cloves of garlic, and the next thing that I'm going to add is about this much of a ginger. I will call it 2 cloves of ginger too. I'm not sure the size. So make sure you're also stirring in your ingredients in the pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my sauce. And we're just going to continue stirring until it becomes caramelized. I'm cooking my sauce on medium high. And while that simmers, we are going to talk about this apron. Guys, This apron says know your worth, and the reason why I'm wearing this is because I got it from somebody that I know who has been through a lot, and to support their business I wanted to share this on my YouTube, and also, you know, to understand that, you know, we're not the only ones who are going through something. And this person wrote a book and it's called Know Your Worth because she went through a lot. She went through abuse. So if you guys want to support her, I'm gonna link everything in the description below. And I love yellow and I thought it really looks nice, and it represents me because I know my worth in Christ, and that's the reason why I like this apron. And if you are new to this channel, I just want to say thank you for subscribing, for joining, and please leave me a comment and show some love, and let me know how you guys feel about this video, because this girl loves some chicken wings. I love me some chicken wings. That is like my downfall. I can eat more than 10 pieces of chicken wings by myself. Guys, this sauce is so good. It is so yummy. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken in there. So yummy, guys. So good. So for garnish, I'm gonna go ahead and add some red crushed peppers. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some sesame seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour it over there. So guys, this is how the chicken looks like. I saved some original, and right over here I have the sesame and orange pineapple chicken. So guys, thank you for joining me today, and I really had fun teaching you guys this recipe. And if you are new, please subscribe, and if you're just watching, please subscribe and show me some love, and try this recipe and let me know how you guys feel about this video. Well, thank you, and I'm gonna go ahead and try my food. So I'm eating potato salad over here with my chicken wings, and we are going to taste them. Ooh. This is so good. The ginger, the crunchiness, it's so good. We have to go ahead and eat. So guys, I will see you next time on She's So Randomly Unique. Please comment below and let me know how you felt about this video. Bye.